Hi everyone! Today we're creating a realistic football player from scratch and bringing the animation to life in iClone 8. Let's begin by opening the Headshot plugin and clicking Load Image. Select your front-facing portrait with clear lighting and a neutral expression for the best results. Once the image is loaded, we're ready to generate our realistic 3D character. Now let's customize the character's body. Using the Morph sliders in Character Creator 4, simply adjust the sliders to modify the shoulders, chest, waist, arms, legs, and overall proportions until you achieve the athletic physique you're looking for. Take your time with small adjustments, as subtle changes often produce the most natural and realistic results. Preview the animation to check the body proportions, facial appearance, and overall deformation before moving to the next step. Next, let's import a 3D football into the scene, position the football near the character, and adjust its size if necessary. Also, replace the texture with a new one, then also adjusted the UV alignment. Now let's animate the football by creating a path for it to follow. Draw the path, then attach the football to it so the ball moves smoothly along the desired trajectory. Finally, adjust the path speed and timing to synchronize the football perfectly with the player's kicking animation. Simply double-click on a path point to reveal its Bezier handles, then click and drag the handles to adjust the curve and smooth out the ball's trajectory. Continue tweaking the handles until the football follows a realistic arc that matches the player's kicking motion. Now let's animate the football using the path animation. At the very first frame, position the ball at the beginning of the path. As the player's kicking animation reaches the moment of contact, gradually move the path position slider forward. This makes the football travel smoothly along the path, creating the illusion that the kick is driving the ball forward. Fine-tune the keyframes on the path position slider to control the ball's speed, allowing it to accelerate naturally after the kick and finish precisely at the end of the path. Now let's create two cameras. Rename them to Camera 1 and Camera 2 so they're easy to identify while editing. One for a dynamic close-up of the player just before the kick, then place Camera 2 farther back to capture a wider view of the action. At the right moment, switch from Camera 1 to Camera 2 to create a smooth cinematic transition. As the ball travels along its path, animate Camera 2 so the football moves toward the lens and eventually fills the entire frame, creating a powerful ending shot. We've successfully created a realistic football player in Character Creator 4, customized the jersey, animated the football, and finished everything with a cinematic multi-camera sequence. I hope this tutorial helps you create even more realistic sports animations for your own projects. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Character Creator 4, iClone 8, and real-time animation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy animating!